Hi there, welcome to another video of Canada job updates. On this channel, every day I upload one new job opportunity video to help you find your dream job. In today's video, I will share top 5 restaurant jobs available in Brampton. I will discuss different parameters of job like the pay rate, location and duties of the workers on the job. I will also explain you how to apply to this job, so please stay tuned with me for next few minutes to get the more details about these jobs. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe it and press the bell icon. In that way, every morning when I upload one new job opportunity video, you will get notified. Now without wasting time, let's begin today's video. Here's my number 5 job recommendation. Number 5 on the top list is the McDonald's crew member vacancy. This particular position has a pay rate of $14 per hour. It is 1% above local area similar jobs. The location is available all over the Brampton, so you can choose any one of your preference. The duties will include preparing food, processing payments, and also cleaning the restaurant. Don't worry about if you don't know how to process the payment. McDonald's will train you on all these duties and then you will be performing your duty. And it will be your paid training. So the no particular experience is required to apply to this job, and the position is suitable for all the full-time and part-time workers. So the students are also welcome to apply to this job. This job has rated as 3.5 out of 5 on the various job sites. I will show you later in the video how to apply to this job. Number 4 on the list is Domino's Pizza's team member vacancy. The pay rate of this position is pretty good. It's $15.50 per hour. It is 3% above average similar jobs. The location is available all over the Brampton and you can choose any one of your preference. The duties will include helping the kitchen and food service staff, and the training will be provided to you. It will be your paid training and then you will be performing your job. No particular experience is required to apply to this job, and the position is suitable for all the full-time and part-time workers. It's also another great opportunity for students to apply. It is rated as 3.6 out of 5 on various job sites. Please visit www.canadajobsupdate.com. The link is in the description of this video to apply to this job. Top third on the list is A&W restaurant position. The pay rate of this position is again pretty good. It's $16 per hour and it's 3% above average similar jobs. The location of this job is Queens and Airport Road in Brampton, and duties will include attending the food service counter and serving the food to the customer. The training will be provided to you and it will be your paid training. No particular experience is required to apply to this job, and it is suitable for all the full-time and part-time workers. Students can apply to this job, and the public transportation is also available in this job location. It is rated as 3.6 out of 5 on this job site, and you can apply to this job by visiting the website link in description of this video. Second topmost position is available in Gino's Pizza Store. The pay rate is $16 per hour. It is 1% above local average pizza store jobs. The location of this job is Queen Street and Main Street. It's near the Harry and Queen Street, so it's in the Brampton. The duties will include the kitchen staff helping in preparation of food and cooking and handling of food. The training will be provided to you. No particular experience is required to apply to this job, and it is suitable only for the full-time workers. Right now only full-time students can apply, but the part-time students are not allowed to apply to this job, and it is rated as 3.8 out of 5 on various job site ratings. Here comes the today's topmost pick. The vacancies are available in Harvey's crew member. The pay rate of this job is really high. It's $17 per hour. It is 5% above local average similar jobs. The locations are available all over the Brampton and you can apply to any of your preferred location. Duties will include attending the food service counter and prepare food. The training will be provided to you. No particular experience is required to apply to this job, and this position is suitable for all the full-time and part-time workers. It is the best opportunity for students to apply. It is rated as 4.6 on various job sites. As now you have already seen the top most jobs, restaurant jobs available in Brampton, you can apply to any of the above by visiting the website link in the description of this video. I hope you have enjoyed today's video. If you want me to make video on jobs available in your city, please let me know in the comments below. And also don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel for daily jobs notification. You can also follow us on Instagram at Canada Job Updates to stay updated. Thanks for watching today's video. See you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.